Opening shot, animation of a bustling tech office transitioning into the calm office of a tech professional. Hey there, cloud warriors. Welcome back to TechLab, where we help you conquer the digital skies with real-world skills. In today's video, we are diving deep into mastering virtual machine management with the Azure CLI. So, buckle up, and let's unlock the full potential of Azure VMs together. Cut to host, standing confidently. Before we dive in, let me show you a quick recap of what we'll cover today. 1. Creating a virtual machine within Azure. 2. Managing VM resources using the Azure CLI. 3. Advanced VM configurations for enterprise environments. Now, let's set sail into the world of Azure VM management. Segment 1. Creating a virtual machine within Azure. First things first, let's create a virtual machine in Azure. We'll need a simple script using Azure CLI's VM create command. Let's assume we want to create a Linux VM with Ubuntu LTS. Bash create a VM resource group as group create, name mySource group, location Eastus create a VM with Azure CLI as VM create, resource group mySource group, name my VM, image Ubuntu LTS, admin username admin user, generate SSH keys. Wasn't that simple? You just got your first Azure virtual machine, ready to rock. Segment 2. Managing VM resources using the Azure CLI. Now that we've got our VM, let's manage it using the Azure CLI. Here are some practical tasks with CLI commands. Installing an application, bash connect the VM via SSH admin user at public_IP. Install a package using the package manager available inside VM. Let's say we wish to install Docker sudo apt-get update sudo apt-get install. Why docker.io monitor VM status, bash check VM status using Azure CLI as VM list instances. Segment 3. Advanced VM configurations for enterprise environments. Mastering Azure VMs also means knowing how to configure them for enterprise scenarios. Here, we'll create a network security group to enhance our VM's security. Bash